Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect EV charging in the Electrify America app, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Electrify America app on your smartphone. Ensure that you are logged into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. From the main dashboard, tap on the Find Charging button. Allow the app to access your location if prompted. Browse the map to locate the nearest charging station. Select a charging station that suits your needs by tapping on its icon. Review the station details, including the number of chargers available and their types. If you're ready to charge, tap on the Start Charging button. Choose your payment method, if prompted. If you are using your first charger, you may need to enter your vehicle's details. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the charging session. Once connected, ensure your vehicle is properly plugged in. Check the app for real-time updates on your charging progress. When your session is complete, the app will notify you. Disconnect the charger by following the prompts in the app. Make sure to secure the charging cable back in its place at the station. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section in the app for troubleshooting. You're now ready to enjoy your EV journey with more confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.